In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Miro board. Whether you're working on a collaborative project, preparing for a meeting, or simply want to ensure that nothing is lost, making a copy of your Miro board is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Miro board home. Simply open your web browser and go to the Miro dashboard. This is where all your boards are neatly organized, allowing for easy access. It's also the launching point for starting any new project, or in this case, duplicating an existing one. Once you're at the dashboard, take a moment to identify the board you wish to copy. Scan through your collection of boards to find the specific one you need. If you have a lot of boards, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Having found your board, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice some options become visible, guiding you towards the next step. Now, direct your attention to the three dots, often referred to as the More menu. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Duplicate. This will create an exact copy of your board. A small dialog box will appear prompting you to confirm the duplication. It's a great moment to ensure you've selected the correct board. Before finalizing the copy, you have the option to give your duplicated board a new name. This can be incredibly helpful in distinguishing it from the original, or if you're planning to adjust the contents within this new version. Simply type in whatever you'd like the new title to be. Once you're satisfied with the name, click on Copy. Within moments, your new board will appear in the dashboard, ready for you to start using or editing. If at any point you need to share a link to this copied board, Miro has made that process simple as well. Once you've completed the duplication, click on the three dots once more, this time on your newly copied board. In the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Copy Board Link and click it. You can now share this link with your team or anyone who needs access, making collaboration across distances incredibly efficient. With these steps, duplicating and sharing your Miro boards is as easy as that. Whether it's to branch out ideas, create backups, or collaborate with a new group, you're now equipped with the knowledge to do so confidently. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide makes your next Miro session even more productive. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital workspace experience.